Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Are you tired of this annoying Facebook suggested for you posts that keep popping up on your feed every time you log in? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to remove them from Facebook. Let's jump right into it. First thing first, let's ensure that you have the latest version of the Facebook app. Head over to your Play Store or App Store, search for Facebook, and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Now open the Facebook app, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to access the menu. From the menu, navigate to Settings by tapping on the gear icon in the top right corner. In the Settings menu, go to Account Center by selecting See More in Account Center. Once it loads up, tap on Add Preference. Now tap on Add Settings. Here tap on the first option and select Review Settings at the bottom. Ensure that the option starting with No is selected. Next, go back and tap on the second option, which is Categories. Unselect all toggle off all the options listed here. Finally, tap on Add Show Off or Meta and toggle off the option at the bottom. And that is it. You've successfully removed the suggested post from your Facebook feed. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like and leave your questions or comments in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.